morning, all of you. Welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Today, 1st of July 2020, and the day is Wednesday. I, Amita Singh, welcome you back after summer vacation. I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays with your family members staying at home. Today, this is your first period. It is of English. So get ready for it. First of all, we will do orals. So stand up on your place. We will do rhyme. Today's rhyme is two little dicky birds. Now take a position and take out your left hand like this and right hand like this and hold it together. And say with me, I am going to recite a poem, Two Little Dicky Birds. Okay, now put your hands down and say with me. Two little dicky birds sat on a wall. One's named Peter, another's named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now we will do phonetics. So get ready for it. Mr. A says A apple. Mr. B says ball. Mr. C says cat. Mr. D says dog. Mr. E says elephant. Mr. F says flag. Mr. G says giraffe. Mr. H says horse. Mr. I says ice cream. Mr. J says joker. Mr. K says key. Mr. L says lion. All of you know now, lion is the king of the jungle. Okay. Now we'll come to next alphabet. Mr. M says mama mango. Mr. N says na nest. Mr. O says orange. Mr. P says parrot. Mr. Q says queen. Mr. R says rose. Rose is a flower now. Mr. S says ship. Ship sails on water now. Okay. After S we'll come to Mr. T. Mr. T says tiger. Mr. U says umbrella. Mr. V says vegetables. Mr. W says watch. Mr. X says axis tree. Mr. Y says yeah. Mr. Z says zebra. So all of you students learn this at home with the help of your parents.
First of all, take out your English notebooks. Today's topic is fill the missing letters. Okay. First of all, we will write the date on the left side of the copy. Today's date is 1st of July and the month is 7th. July is the 7th month of the year, and after that we will put dot, then we will write 2020, and the day is Wednesday. Okay. After this, put CW on the top of the copy. Now, what is this? This is A. A for an apple. What comes after A? B. We will write B on the blank space. Start from here, come down and go up and make a half circle and again half circle. Then go up and come down and make a circle. This is become Mama bee and baby bee. Okay? What comes after B? C. Cat. Okay? We will write from here on the blank space. C. Go up and come down, and then go up and come down. Okay? This is become Mama C and baby C. What comes after C? D. D for dog. It is already written, so don't need to write. What comes after D? E. Elephant. Start from here. Go up and come down, make a half circle, then again half circle, go up and make a baby E also. This is become Mama E and baby. What comes after E? Fish. Okay, like this. Start from here. Come down, make a curve, and then cut the stomach of the F, and go from bottom to the up, and come down and make a curve then like this. This is become Mama F and baby F. What comes after F? G. G for gun. Okay, it is written over here, so no need to write it again. After this is the blank space. What comes after G? H. H for heart. So you have to write H here. Start from here. Come down. Go up and make a half circle, and go up and come down like this. This is become heart. What comes after heart? H. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. All of you love ice cream now? Okay. In the blank space you have to write I for ink pot. Start from here like this and go up like this. This is become I for ice cream. What comes after I? J. Joker. Okay. So you know it is written over here, na? So don't need to write. After J, what comes after? J. Kite. Kite is written over here. Okay. What comes after K? Lion. So you will write in the blank space L. Start from here, go up and come down, then curve and again go up and make a line like this. This is become line. Mama line and baby line. Okay? Mama L and baby L. What comes after L? Mama, monkey. In the blank space you have to write M. Start from here, make a little curve and go up, then come down, again go up and come down, then go up like this, then come down, again up and again down and again up like this. This is become Mama M and baby M. Okay, what comes after M? Nest. It is written over here, so you don't write here. Okay, what comes after N? Orange. All of you love orange now? It is fruit's name now? Okay, so we will start from here and go up and come down and cut the stomach of the A and make small O also like this. Okay, I know you all have got it. So complete all the work like this. First complete your classwork. After that you have to do same in the homework. Okay, have a nice day. Good morning students. This is your second period. This is Hindi period. Okay, first of all, we will do rhymes. So get ready with me. Take out your left hand like this and right hand like this and hold it together like this. And say with me, I am going to recite a poem, दो चूहे थे. Now put your hands down and say with me, दो चूहे थे, मोटे मोटे थे, भाग रहे थे, दौड़ रहे थे. बिल्ली मौसी आई, चूहे से कहा, आजा मेरे पास. चूहे ने कहा, ना मौसी ना, मुझे मार डालोगी, गला काट डालोगी. Now ready for Hindi Varnmala. First of all, we will do स्वर. छोटे आ से अनार, बड़े आ से आम, छोटी ई से इमली, बड़ी ई से ईख, छोटे ऊ से उल्लू, बड़े ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ऐ से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूर, आहा खाली. After this we will do व्यंजन. का से कबूतर, खा से खरगोश, गा से गधा, घा से घड़ी, आड़ा खाली, चा से चरखा, छा से छाता, जा से जहाज, झा से झंडा, इया खाली, टा से टमाटर, ठा से ठठेरा, डा से डमरू, ढा से ढोलक, आड़ा खाली, ता से तरबूज, था से थर्मस, दा से दवात, था से धनुष, ना से नल, पा से पतंग, फा से फल, बा से बस, भा से भालू, मा से मछली, या से यज्ञ, रा से रथ, ला से लट्टू, वा से वक, शा से शलगम, शा से षटकोण, सा से सपेरा, हा से हाथी, शा से क्षत्रिय, त्रा से त्रिशूल, ज्ञा से ज्ञानी. Students, now we will do writtens. Take out your Hindi copy and open the page. And first of all, write the date on the right side of the page. Today's date is 1st July 2020. Write it. After writing the date, write down the day. Today's day is Wednesday. Okay? After writing the day, come out here and write CW on the top of the page. Today's topic is का से ज्ञा तक लिखिए. आज का विषय है का से ज्ञा तक लिखिए, which we have done it before holidays. Today I am going to revise it. Okay? So students, start with me. Start from the first line and write 5 letters on one line. First of all, we will write ka. का से कबूतर. Okay. What comes after ka? Kha. से खरगोश. What comes after खा? गा. गा से गमला. देन गा के बाद क्या आते हैं? घ. घा से घर. देन घा के बाद अड़ा. अड़ा मैंने खाली. After writing this, leave one line, then write again. Now write chasi, chammach. Then what comes after cha? Cha. Chasi, chata. Then jasi, जहाज. झांसी, झंडा. इया खाली. झा के बाद क्या आता है? इया. Again, leave one line and start from next line. Okay? ता से यहाँ के बाद क्या आता है? टा. टा से टमाटर. What comes after टा? ठा से ठठेरा. What comes after tha? Da se डमरू. Then what comes after da? Dha से ढक्कन. What comes after dha? अड़ा. अड़ा मैंने खाली. Okay, and again leave one line and write after the next line. Okay, अड़ा के बाद क्या आता है? ता. तासी, तासी तरबूज. Okay, थासी थर्मस. और था की बात क्या आता है? दा. दा से दवात. देन धा से धनुष. धा से धनुष के बाद क्या आता है? ना से नल. So you all have to complete का से गया like this. आपको का से गया तक पूरा लिखना है. You have to first complete your classwork. After completing your classwork, you have to do your homework. Same as it is. आपको सेम ऐसा ही होमवर्क में भी करना है. Okay?
Student, this is your maths class. Open your notebook and mention the date and date. Today on right side, today date is 1st July 2020 and day Wednesday. And mention the CW. Okay. Now today's topic is forward counting 101 to 120. Let's start counting. What is the STU? It means O means ones and T means tens and H means 100. Now let's start counting 101. Start 101. Okay. What will come after 101? What will come after 101? 102. 102. Okay. Now next digit. What will come after 102? 103. 103. Okay. Next. What will come after 103? 104. 104. Okay. Now next digit is what will come after 104? 105. 105. Okay. Next. What will come after 105? 106. 106. Next. What will come after 106? 107. 107. Now next. What will come after 107? 108. 108. Okay. Next. What will come after 108? 109. 109. Students, what will come after 109? 110. 110. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now, next digit, what will come after 110? 111. Okay. Next, what will come after 111? 112. Next, what will come after 112? 113. Students, what will come after 113? 114. Now next digit, what will come after 140? 115. Next digit, what will come after 115? 116. Okay. Now next, what will come after 116? 117. Student, what will come after 117? 118. Okay, next digit, what will come after 118? 119. Now last digit is this, what will come after 119? 120. I am repeating, counting 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119 and 120. Student, this is your class work and do same as homework. पॉज ही नहीं हुआ। मैम
Students, this is your fourth period, which is computer period. Open your notebook, mention date and day. Today's date is 1st July 2020 and day Wednesday. Mention CW at the top of the copy. Today's topic is machine. Okay, now let's start. First question is this: what is a machine? Machine, answer is machine is a man-made things which is made by human, means like this man, woman, like this. Okay, now for example iron, fan, etc. Okay, now next question is this: natural things. What is the natural things? Things which are made by God. For example, sun, moon, star, sky, planets, tree, earth. Okay, I am repeating this question answer. First question is this: what is machine? Answer is machine is a man-made thing. For example, iron, fan, refrigerator, chair, like this. Okay? Now, second, natural things. What is the natural things? Things which are made by God. For example, sun, moon, star, planets, tree, earth. Okay, students? Students, this is your class work and do same in homework. Today's class is over. Do complete your work, all written work and learning work. Okay? Thank you everyone.